This video reviews how to make your own sharps disposal kit for found needles. To make your own sharps disposal kit, you will need gloves, tongs or tweezers, sharps container, plastic tote. Label the tote as biohazard waste or handle with caution. To get a sharps container, call your local pharmacy or public health. If the sharps container will be used to dispose of sharps more than once, close the container but do not lock it and store it in a clear plastic tote. Storing the sharps container in a plastic tote will help lower the risk of injury if the contents were to spill. Once it's 3/4 full, lock the sharps container and take it to a pharmacy or public health for safe disposal. The tongs are potentially contaminated with blood, bodily fluids, or hazardous substances. If only using the tongs on one occasion, dispose of the tongs in the garbage. If the tongs will be used to dispose of sharps again, they need cleaning and disinfecting. To clean and disinfect the tongs for future use, you will need 2 pairs of gloves, household bleach, water, a measuring cup, a container such as a bucket. Follow these steps to clean and disinfect the tongs. Protect yourself by putting on gloves. Prepare the bleach solution by mixing 1 part household bleach and 10 parts water in a container such as a bucket. For example, mix 1 cup of household bleach in 10 cups of water. This solution should be prepared on the day that you will use it. If the tongs are visibly dirty, clean them using soap and water. Rinse the tongs and then place them in the prepared disinfecting solution and allow them to soak for 10 minutes. Remove your gloves and place them in the garbage, followed by washing your hands with soap and water or alcohol-based hand sanitizer. Put on a new pair of gloves. Remove the tongs from the solution, rinse, and allow to air dry. Dispose of the disinfecting solution. Place the tongs back in the sharps disposal kit for future use. Remove your gloves and place them in the garbage. Wash your hands with soap and water or alcohol-based hand sanitizer. A properly prepared sharps kit will help ensure everyone's safety when it comes to disposal of found needles and other sharps.